one blood clot one. I buy the longest
Man,
cutlass
Bonnie.
for Amazon. I chop you fuck. Send them. I will give you the money. You want the money? Send them. Send them right now. You
Bonnie,
got a
this
lot
not
in the
Jamaica.
bank.
It's not Jamaica.
You got a
It's
lot. You
not.
can't even go to Jamaica. You can't fuck with
Man, I
Jamaica.
don't
Jamaican
want
and
to go to
American
Jamaica.
badness
I'm
is
in the States with
different.
it.
American and
I'm in the
Jamaican
States with it.
badness is different. Y'all think your head is crazy. Go to Jamaica. Like, I'm not gonna sit and argue with you and talk
Yeah,
about this. You're dumb as fuck.
she's on some police shit. She tripping. I don't
How? When
everything we
it's you
saying is
telling
cap.
me to send a nigga for
Hey,
you, why would you telling me
everything
to
we're
send a
saying on here is
nigga?
cap, chat. All this shit is cap. She's on some police shit. All this shit is cap. It's
Why
cap.
would you tell me to come send a nigga for you? You're the one talking about police shit. Send a nigga and talk about push shit on my head.
You
Like, you
just
trying to
said
tell
you,
me.
I'm not even gonna
I
repeat what you
never
said. You
said I
just
was gonna
said some
send no
shit.
nigga for you. I'm talking about
I
me
never said that. I never
and
said
talk.
that.
I'm
I never
telling
said
you
that.
how
I never
bad
said
I
that.
be. You talking. You brought up niggas. I'm telling
Bonnie,
you,
you're
I could
not
fuck
bad. You're
you
not
up,
bad.
pussy
You're not
all.
bad. You're not bad. You're not. I'll
Okay, why
bleed your
didn't you
shit. You're not
test me
bad.
then?
You're not bad. Why would I? You're a female. What the fuck would I do to
Guys,
you?
I don't wet this nigga up and did him the most, and he couldn't do shit. You understand that? He dumb.
Man,
He can't
Bonnie,
angle my smoke.
Bonnie,
I'm not. I'm crazy in the
Bonnie.
fucking. And you think I'm an American knees? This little American knees who gonna do shit and then run it and but what up in blood clot? I'm gonna go bunny up with
Man,
some
this girl be
boil
scared when
some
she go
hot
to the
water
gas
for you.
station chat. She's scared of all this shit. She's not an aggressive person. She is a nice girl. That's why I fuck with Bonnie
Me
because she's a
we
nice
blood
girl.
up your blood clot.
She's
Tell the
nice.
people them I'm not scared of you, and you know
Hey,
I
Bonnie,
will
you
get
sweet
down.
girl. You sweet girl. You
You
sweet
should have
food. You're
looked
not
yourself.
that.
You
Stop
should
acting
have
like
looked
that. You're
yourself.
not that.
You should have
You're
looked
a
yourself.
sweet
I
girl.
said.
You're sweet. You're sweet, love.
And I
But you're
hope
not
when you're
that, okay?
talking that the
You're
girls
not
on your
that.
live don't even be think you're capping, because I dare one of them to test me in real life. I dare one
No,
of
no
them to
one would
come
ever
test
do.
me
I
in
would
real
never
life.
let you get hurt. I would never let you get hurt. You're a sweet
I
girl.
dare
You're
one of
not
them to
that. You know
test me
what
and
I'm
I go
saying?
chop up on a blood clot.
No. I'm not full chat. Y'all niggas is fool.
This in
Y'all
a
bitch
one
ass
bucket
niggas be
and
scared. Y'all
throw it
hoes is
on the blood
scared.
clot face
Man,
and
this girl
burning
is
up.
sweet. She's sweet as fucking
Coming
cake.
out go square up with you,
She's sweet.
Me use my
She's
piss bun
sweet
up on the
girl.
blood clot.
She's sweet
Coming
girl.
out go square
She's
up with
sweet.
you. Then my piss ya act like a acid. And I go
She's
scrape with you
sweet as
now.
fuck,
Chop
love.
up on the blood clot.
Man, motherfuckers from my
I'll
probably
talk it
tear you
all.
apart, Bonnie. Pick my pick. You're sweet, love. You're sweet. You're a nice girl. We fuck with you. You're sweet.
Nigga, how many times
You're
I ever
sweet.
tried you? You don't do shit because you can't do shit.
Bonnie, I'm not gonna sit here and speak on shit, but you remember when I looked you in your goddamn face and I could have
Like,
smacked the
Chap,
fuck
you
out
know I'm
you.
not scared of you,
You remember when I
Chap.
had you in that motherfucking bed and I could have smacked the fuck out you, but I would
No,
never
you
do that
did
to you because I
not.
am a
No,
man. I'm a
no,
gentleman.
you did
I'm a
not. I'm not
gentleman.
even gonna
I'm
talk
a
certain
gentleman.
things, but no, I would have
Yeah.
fucked you up, and you know.
So quit speaking like that. I'm a
Picture.
gentleman. I would never touch you. I would never touch
Listen,
you. You know
the
this.
point is, I'm not scared of you, and I'm not scared of
Chat, she
none of
trying to
those
push him to
girls.
that point, man. It's been multiple times I could
Nobody
have put my
try to
hands on this
put.
girl. I would never hit this
You
lady, and she knows that.
couldn't.
She know I would never put my hands on her, and she knows that. Ask her one time, had Jizo ever put his hands on me? I would never put my hands on this girl. She knows
You
that.
were locked in the room,
She's
didn't
faking.
want to come out. How many hours? Because your ass was scared. A real ass
What the
nigga
fuck?
don't lock away.
We're not. No, we're not, Vonnie. And I
He
bet you
really
if you
don't
would
know
have
the
put that shit
over.
on, I bet you if you would have put that shit on me, Vonnie, this live wouldn't even be happening right now. Stop playing with me.
Yeah,
Stop
cause
playing
you're
with me.
that is 6 feet blood clot deep. That's where you would have been. Six
Who?
feet deep.
Man,
And then I
I
would
would
have been
never
in
hurt you.
jail. You
I
understand
would
that?
never hurt you. I would never
I
hurt
would
you.
have
See
been
that?
in
I would never
jail.
hurt you. I would never hurt you. I would never hurt
You
you.
trying to
Ever.
push badness. You think your little American badness is
And you
nothing.
sit here and you on here talking about some police shit, chat. Nothing happened behind closed doors. Nothing. We were just
I
playing
did
around.
not talk about no police shit. You're the one who's saying crazy shit.
No, you're the one talking about police shit. Chat. None of this shit ever happened. She's capping. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, she knows a nigga's not gonna play with me. You know what I'm saying? But she's sweet girl. Don't let this mean act for you. She's nice.
Whoever
She's
said a
nice.
nigga was
She's
gonna play
nice.
with you?
She's
When
nice.
and
She's
where did
nice.
I ever mention a nigga was gonna play with you? When and where did I ever mention a nigga was gonna play with you? When? When did I ever say that?
No, I'm saying you would never get a nigga to play with me. That's what I said. You would never get a nigga to play with me.
And you're the one who thinking that, cause why would I get a nigga to play with you when I could do that myself?
Cause you know I can't do nothing back to you.
You can't. I'm a bad bitch and you can't fuck with me. I tell you that.
No, cause you gonna call the police on me. And I'm a man. I'm a
Man, I'm
gentleman.
gonna
I would never
chop you
touch
in
a
your
female.
fucking face. I ain't gonna call no police. You don't even call police. I only call police when I want niggas to get the fuck out of my house and they don't want to leave. That's when I call police.
And we both know that's not me.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. And you can't even sit and talk about that because nobody ever told you to leave. So what you hyping? Why are you hyping about? Did I ever tell you to leave?
I don't know. You probably been close before. I don't know.
You can't hype on me. What the fuck are you, bro? This nigga messy. Listen,
No, you're messy as fuck. You're
this
weird. You're
this
messy.
nigga is messy as hell.
Nah,
But
she
I think
messy. Chat. She
you
burning
trying to
shit up.
draw
She
me
just
out.
messy up.
You trying to all me out. You're not gonna get what you think. You're not gonna get it. You're not gonna get it. Talk about that before. You ain't go. You can't all me out. You can't draw me out to say certain things. You can't haul me up.
And the way Ivany play with all these other niggas, she never played with me like that. And I promise y'all that. Never. She has never played with me like that. Never.
How do I play with other niggas that I don't play with you? Give me one example. How? With
She
what?
never gonna. She never played with me like that, chat. She
Cause you
never.
can't fuck with me for me to play like that. You ain't doing dumb shit.
No, Ivany, cause
You
you
ain't.
know,
You think
I'm not
you're
even
doing
like
dumb
that.
shit, but you know my head crazy. You think you, and that's why you're trying to
Man,
act
no,
up
no,
the
no,
way
no,
you
no,
act up.
Ivany,
I'm not talking about my shit.
I'll let you think that you're crazy, but you're not. You're not crazy. You're not crazy.
This nigga. Okay, do something.
You're sweet.
You should have
You're
done something.
sweet. You
You should
sweet
have done
girl.
something. You
You
should have
sweet girl.
actually done something for me to chip out. Like all these internet shit that you do and closed door shit that you do, and then and yeah, you should have in my face. You should have done that. Me that
No, Bonnie, you're sweet.
yeah, sure.
That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all, Bonnie is a nice girl. She's sweet girl. That's why that's why I fuck with her because she's sweet. You know,
Yeah,
she's
cause
not
you ain't doing
mean. She's
shit
not
for me to
crazy.
act up.
That shit
You're
fake.
not doing shit
That's
in
fake
real
crazy.
life.
That's fake crazy. That's fake
You're
crazy,
not.
chat.
What? Okay, what are you doing in real life to press me though? What?
I would, Bonnie. You are a female. I would never do nothing to you to hurt you.
No,
Why
you
you
be
keep
doing
saying that?
things. You be doing things on the internet, but why not do that shit in real life and see how it
What do I
goes?
do? What do I do on the internet? It's the first time I ever speak to you on the internet, and you brung all this other real life shit up. I didn't bring that shit. That shit fake anyway. I don't know what she's talking about.
Who bring all that out of you trying to